The Guggenheim Museum Bilbao, designed by Frank Gehry, is a museum of modern and contemporary art that was established on October 18, 1997. It is located in Bilbao, Spain, alongside the Nervión River. The museum houses both permanent and temporary exhibits of works by Spanish and international artists. This building is considered one of the most admired works of contemporary architecture. Its many curves were designed to appear random in order to catch the light, and its structure consists of unconventionally sculpted organic contours that are intended to resemble a ship, and its reflective titanium panels are intended to look like fish scales. The building is shaped in a way that looks spectacular from the river and modest from street level, so that it doesn't interfere with its surroundings. The museum was opened in order to help revitalize the city of Bilbao, and did its job by becoming a major tourist attraction. Gehry created 2 Guggenheim museums, the other one located in Manhattan, New York. Both were amazing buildings, but the Guggenheim Bilbao earned itself the title of being one of the most foremost architectural pilgrimages of the country. Its design is seen to most as impossible to create, and the experience of the space is indescribable. Bilbao was once the salted codfish capital of the world, which is why the museum is designed to resemble a ship with shiny scales meant to resemble a fish. Despite what the museum was designed to look like, though, the actual building surpasses all its simple descriptions. The museum covers 250,000 square feet and rises 138 feet above the ground. The galleries within the museum take up about 112,000 square feet of the interior space. The museum's exterior is what made it so famous and outshines the interior space of the museum. The entrance of the building leads the visitor down a full staircase that creates the illusion that the building is actually higher than it is. The museum is covered with titanium strips of metal that crown the atrium's exterior and are meant to resemble petals on a blossoming rose. The building is constructed with limestone glass and titanium, and followed the style of deconstructivism. Gehry used a special 3-dimensional program called CATIA, which allowed him to create the random and extravagant shapes present in the museum. The museum is positioned on a slope so that it looks onto the Nervión River. Its location is not accidental, but aims to showcase elements of nature. From the inside of the building, Gehry designed the museum so that it would connect with its surrounding nature. The museum is designed with glass windows that surround the entire central gathering hall in order to give viewers the chance to look at the trees and rivers that lie on the opposite slope. The Guggenheim Bilbao is said to be the greatest building of all time, according to the architect Philip Johnson. The museum officially opened in October 1997 and had over 1,360,000 visitors in the first year. This building is seen as Gehry's masterpiece and is also seen as the greatest building of the 20th century.